We're going to talk about how to calculate the volume of a triangular prism. Now, when we are given a triangular prism like the one that you're able to see in this case, all you have to do is to concentrate on the first triangle that we are given. Now, remember to say we're only using the two basic values, that is the base as well as the height of a triangle when we want to find the area of a triangle. Thereafter, once we get the area of a triangle that we have highlighted, you just multiply with the longest side being this shape or side. Now, in this case, we have the two values, this which is the 12 centimeters multiplied by an 8 centimeter, then divided by 2, then you multiply with the longest side, which is a 30 centimeters. Now, let's have things going underway. So for volume, the formula is actually half base times height multiplied by the longer side. So in this case, we're talking about a half multiplied by our base is a 12 in that case. So we're going to say multiplied by 12 multiplied by the height of this shape, which is going to be an 8 centimeters, multiplied by the longest side being a 30 centimeter, just like that. Now, in this case, you just go ahead and start doing your calculations. 2 there, it's 1 times. 2 into 12, it's 6 times. When you multiply 6 and 12, rather, when you multiply 6 and 8, we're going to get 48. Then we need to multiply with a 30 there. So, when we have 48 multiplied by 30, let's first keep the 0 here, and then we multiply 3 times 8, which is going to give us 18. So write 8, we keep the 1. 3 times 4, it's going to give us a 12, plus the 1 that we had kept, it's going to give us 13. So this is 1,380 centimeters cubed. So the answer is 1,380 cubic centimeters, just like that. Now, going forward, let's look at another example on how we can go ahead and find the volume of a triangular prism. Now, to cement this, we'll still use the same formula, which is volume is equal to 1 over 2 base times height multiplied by the longest side. Now, we have our 1 over 2 multiplied by our base is actually this one, which is a 15, multiplied by the height, which is an 8, multiplied by the longest side, which in this case being a 20. Now, at this particular point, you do your computation where you have 2 there, it's 1, 2 into 8, it's actually 4 times. So 15 multiplied by a 4, it's going to give us a 60, multiplied by a 20, the last part, which is a 20 here. So in this case, let's first keep the 2 zeros. We bring them here, and then we have 2 multiply 6, which is going to give us a 12. So in this case, our volume for this particular shape is actually 1,200 cubic centimeters, just like that. Now you know how to go about finding the volume of any triangular prism. How do we go about it? For a recap, you first consider finding the area of a triangle, then you multiply by the longest side, just like that. I hope you enjoy. If you have any other question, please let's meet in the comment section. Thank you.